Hello everyone, this is my review of the LEGO Star Wars Anakin's Jedi Interceptor. Its number is 75281 and it retails for $30 US. The first minifigure up today is going to be Anakin Skywalker wearing his Revenge of the Sith attire. He has torso and leg printing, which is pretty nice, in brown arms to match his Jedi robes. He does also have some back printing here, but the big problem on his torso is that he shares the same print as Mustafar Anakin, which came out earlier this year in the Mustafar duel. It has some tears and rips in his Jedi robes, but it doesn't make sense on a Jedi Interceptor Anakin because he's in his Interceptor not fighting someone. He does come with a second-sided face, which is a more worried look. And he has his headset on to communicate with probably Obi-Wan, I'd assume. And the second and last minifigure is R2-D2, a very, very common minifigure. I'm pretty sure he's in 3 sets out in the store right now, so not really rare. So it's regular R2-D2. Most of the prints have the lopsided dome print, as you can see on mine. It tilts a little more towards the left. But besides that, just a regular R2-D2. And now on to the Interceptor itself. It is Anakin's yellow Revenge of the Sith starfighter. It is a little different from the one he uses in the Clone Wars, which has a bit more gray striping right here. I'll throw up an image if I remember to. It comes with the basic features of all the Interceptors that's come out in years past. It's got the S-foils that can open up on the side and have a a sticker on the inside, which is a little annoying to get on. I had to try multiple times on a few of these to get them just right. And same with this sticker right here. This sticker caused me a lot of issues because it is off-centered, as you can see, and I don't know why they didn't print it. It would be a pretty easy piece to print, and I think it was printed on the Obi-Wan starfighter. Let me see. From 2014, I believe. I think that's a printed piece, and they really should have just reused that for this. It would have made my life a lot easier putting that on. But besides that, the other feature is the cockpit can open up and you can place Anakin right into there. Sit him down and put his arms out. Fits right on in. And then it can close right on there. Pretty nice. It's got a pretty big seat in there for him too, and it has a sticker control panel up front. And on the bottom there is a little clip for his lightsaber so it doesn't sit around freely inside the cockpit, which was a problem with that Obi-Wan starfighter that I showed a few seconds ago. And this set also comes with the spring-loaded shooters. It comes with 3 of them and 2 launchers, so you can push down and it fires off a missile. Same with the other one. R2-D2 can in fact go in here, and it is at the perfect height. The older Anakin or Obi-Wan starfighter has this really weird thing that it does with R4, and he's sticking up really far. But they fixed that on this set. It looks way better when R2-D2 is. His dome is the only thing visible. That's pretty nice. I'll open it up there, give one more view, and swoosh. Well, to wrap things up on this set, I'd say wait for it to go on sale. It's not really worth the $30 to spend. There are better sets you could probably get, like the Mustafar duel. I think you get a little more out of that because you get Obi-Wan and Anakin and not another R2-D2. And, it hasn't changed much since the 2014 version, so if you have the 2014 version, probably wait till this goes on sale. I didn't have the 2014 version, so I got this, and I think it's pretty good. It would have been a little better if they added a sticker here with like some like rivets and some lines to better portray the one that it looks like in the movie. Because it looks pretty bland when you just look at it with the S-foils closed. It looks a lot better when they're open because you have some gray going on here, but it looks not the best with that. But that's just how the Anakin starfighters are made. Well, thank you so much for watching my review on the Anakin's Jedi Interceptor.